Your microphone voice input button is missing. You've come to the right place. I'll show you how to restore the missing microphone voice input button on the Samsung keyboard for Samsung Galaxy phones. As you can see on my Samsung keyboard, the microphone icon is missing. So here's how you bring it back. From your home screen, swipe down from the top right, tap Settings, scroll to General Management, and select Keyboard List and Default. Ensure that the Samsung keyboard is set as your default. Then tap Keyboard button on navigation bar and enable it. Next, enable Google Voice Typing by toggling it on and agreeing to the prompt. Go back to Samsung keyboard settings, select Voice Input, and choose either Samsung Voice Input or Google Voice Typing. Just do not select None. If you choose Samsung Voice Input, the microphone icon should appear on your keyboard. If not, press and hold the keyboard icon and select Voice Input. Tap the microphone to test it. Speak now and your words will appear. You can also select Google Voice Typing and repeat the test. As you can see, when you switch it to Google Voice, the icon looks a little different, but it operates the same. You could just tap here. Subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. And that's it. Please subscribe for more tips. Like, share, and comment down below. Happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.